Alright guys, 5 July, about 8:10 in the morning. Oh, there was one right there. Alright, so we have a bass challenge today that we're going to do. It's really like storm front moving in again here in a couple hours, so we tried to come out here. Ideally I want to use black or dark, but we have our white one tied on. I have black ones, but I didn't pull them out of the package yet. So and then we're going with this crazy Sinister Wacky worm. This thing is huge. So we've used it once and fish were biting off the tail, so we haven't caught nothing on here, but we're trying to catch something on both of these today. So we're here at one of our local little farm ponds, and we're just gonna try to catch something and see what's going on. So we're gonna start off with our buzz bait and see if we can get something. Oh, we had a bite first cast. So maybe the buzz bait might do okay today. Let's see. Got one. There. Oh, we had one, guys. Damn it. Got one. There we go, guys. Oh, damn it. There. Oh, son of a... That was a little one there, but I don't care. There we go. Caught one on our buzz bait finally. Little 3/4 pounder. Luckily we have our pliers on us. Alright, we got one on the buzz bait. Now we just need to catch one on our crazy wacky rig, which I left way over there, so we're gonna have to walk all the way over there to get it. There we go. Got one. All right, we met our challenge. on this crazy big old worm. We met our challenge, guys. Yeah. On a crazy big old Sinister Wacky worm. Not too huge, but that was exciting. So we met our challenge, which I wasn't too confident after it took us a while to catch one on our buzz bait. All right, guys, so we completed our challenge and we actually made it, catching on our little buzz bait, and it's not there no more, but the big Sinister Wacky worm. So we fulfilled our challenge over here at this little farm pond.